myshopify.com. Is that fake or real? Well, let's dig into it. So when you sign up to Shopify, you're going to get some kind of a domain, right? So whatever you choose your store name, that's going to be right here. Then if it's already taken, there's going to be some numbers here. And afterwards is going to be .myshopify.com. And if you click onto your online store, you will see that that's exactly the URL that you get, right? So whatever it is, then .myshopify.com. So what this means is that Shopify is actually giving you a temporary domain that you can use, and you can actually make sales with that and run your online store. However, if you would like to get a custom domain, that is something that you will need to be buying separately. So myshopify.com is actually just a temporary domain from Shopify. So it is not fake. It's actually from Shopify themselves. So this is nothing to be afraid of. If you come across a website, probably means that they are new or they haven't just done their branding correctly. So make sure you do some due diligence. Oh, that's a tongue twister. With that store, make sure that they will deliver your product, that they have good reviews and everything. But overall, when a seller, right, signs up to Shopify, they will have it, as you can see right here. They will have .myshopify.com. So that is an extension from Shopify. And another thing is, if you go to myshopify.com, this looks a bit sketchy. However, whatever links you click through, so for example, start a store, it will take you to shopify.com. And as you can see, the UTM here is the expired domain link, which is pretty interesting, okay? And same thing with all of the other links as well. So for example, if you sign up for a Shopify store, then it will take you as well to the same page with that same UTM. UTM is basically a metrics that shows where that is coming from, okay? So as you can see, myshopify.com is a domain from Shopify, and there is nothing to be afraid of. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.